everyone, I'm back today with some more range extension work. We will start in a fairly common, comfortable range and work to our edges. To keep this safe, just stay relaxed and hang in there as long as you can. A good portion of range extension work is being able to make some unfinished sounds and explore the extremes of our range with curiosity that is devoid of harsh judgment. Approach with a spirit of exploration and what if? Let's just sing up and down on a lip trill like here we go. Let's sing on a very relaxed sigh sound on sigh, sigh, I like keeping things relaxed and gentle while working on range, especially towards the beginning of any vocal workout. So let's keep that in mind and we will sing on yaw. Here's the pattern. Ya, 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 ya. 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 Ya, 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 Eliminating tension as we extend our range is very important. Let's sing the following exercise with that in mind on ho-a-ya-o. It sounds like this. Ho-a-ya-o. Try it. Ho-a-ya-o. 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 Next, we will sing on gi. It sounds like this. Gi, 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 gi. There's plenty to coordinate here, so just focus on a natural breath and a gently lifted face. Here we go. Gi, 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 gi. Gi, 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 gi. Gi, 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 gi. Gi, 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 gi. Gi, 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 gi. Gi, 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 gi. down into our low range, let's sigh down to a vocal fry. Keep the air going. Do it one more time. This next exercise is one of my favorites to work into a relaxed lower range. It sounds like this. We just want to lift and relax through the top as we change from an ah to an e. Let's try it. Now into a higher range, let's glide on an E sound up and down in our own range and maybe add in some lip trills or other SOVTs like VV. We just want to remind our mechanism that it's not a big deal to vibrate a little bit faster. Moving now from a lip trill into an open sound, we will sing on brrree like this. Brrree, and try it. I love using arpeggios to extend into our high range. This next arpeggio exercise allows the feeling of expansion as we re-articulate high notes. We want to feel like we're opening on each of them. We will sing on Z, ah. It sounds like this. Z, ah. We want to retain that sense of openness on the way down. Again, that's Z, ah. Here we go. Z, back down now. Let's sing on ki, e, a, like this. Ki, e, a. This combination of vowels encourages us to have a balanced sound. It's not too bright and it's not too dark. Ki, e, a. 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 Ki, e, Finally, let's sing on I sigh to sing. Allow that lyric to help you relax through the range. I sigh to sing. Here we go. I sigh to sing. 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 So we covered 3 octaves plus 1 note today. I hope you enjoyed this range extension series of exercises. Hey, I hope you'll share this video with a friend and give it a like. Your interaction helps the YouTube algorithm know to share my video with more people. And don't we all need just a little bit more singing in our lives? I will see you next time. Hey, you're gonna have to move. Can I have my piano bench back now, please? Thank you.